Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're a fan of travel and adventure, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to take you on an exciting journey to some of the most incredible destinations around the world. From mysterious places to breathtaking landscapes, there's always something new to discover. Let's get started on our adventure. Travel as a way to discover yourself. Traveling is not just about visiting new places, it's also about discovering more about ourselves. Every trip teaches us something new. Whether it's navigating through a bustling city or overcoming challenges in the wild, each experience adds something unique to our character. For example, when I climbed a high mountain, it was physically exhausting, but with each step, I learned how much I could push myself. Top adventures around the world. Let's take a look at some of the best adventures you can experience while traveling. Scuba diving in the Red Sea. Imagine diving into crystal clear waters surrounded by vibrant marine life. It's one of the most magical experiences you can have underwater. Hiking in the Himalayas. Hiking to the top of a mountain is tough, but the view from the summit is absolutely worth it. Camping in the desert. Picture yourself under the open sky, away from the noise of the city. Sleeping under the stars in a desert can be both peaceful and adventurous. We'll dive deeper into each of these amazing adventures. Tips for planning a perfect adventure trip. Before you embark on your next adventure, here are some tips to help you plan the perfect trip. Choose a destination that matches your interests. Whether you love the mountains, beaches, or cultural experiences, pick a place that excites you. Prepare well. Make sure you're equipped with everything you need, from booking flights to packing the right gear. Be flexible. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. Be ready to adjust your plans based on the circumstances. Unforgettable moments from our adventures. Now let's share some unforgettable moments from our own adventures. Whether it's reaching the summit of a mountain after a long hike, swimming with dolphins, or witnessing a stunning sunset in the desert, these are the moments that make traveling and adventuring so special. These memories stay with us forever. Conclusion and call to action. Traveling and adventuring is about more than just seeing new places. It's about discovering more about yourself and the world around you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures to come. What are you waiting for? Pack your bags and start your next adventure now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.